Assalamualaikum and hello everyone who are watching this video right now, especially my respectful lecturer, Madam Zaizatul Zafrina binti Muhammad Zaki. So, in this video, I would like to make a DIY water filter myself to see what it looks like and also to see the result of the water after filtering. So let's get started. Alright, so before we start filtering the water, we need to know what's the material first. So the first material is we use of course we use cotton. Okay, then we use aggregates, and the third one we use sand, and then the most importantly, the charcoal. Before this, this charcoal is a very big particle, so we need to smash it until it becomes a small particle, just like this. And the most important thing, that is the medium for all of the material to get into this bottle. So this bottle need to cutting off the top, the bottom of the bottle, so that the material can get through it very easily, just like this. Alright, so that's all for the material, but the arrangement for all the material into this bottle is very important. So because the water will filter from the bigger void until it filter it into the small void. So the arrangement of the material is very important. So the first arrangement, the first material that will get into this bottle is first cotton, and then charcoal, third one sand, and the last one is aggregate. So it's time to move all of the material to get into this bottle, just like I mentioned just now.
A few moments later.
So this is what it looks like after we move all of the material into the bottle. We are already finished our DIY water filter project. So based on the result that I get, even though the water that filter did not escalate as our drinkable water daily, but it acceptable. As you can see, big difference between the grey water and the after filtering water is very different. So that's all from me. Thank you.